All right, welcome back to First at 4. Joining us now is Shawnta Pulliam-Brown with Sacred Devine Femininity. Shawnta, welcome. It's nice to have you.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yeah, and I need to tell everybody because we literally just rushed you in like right now. We had to kind of move some things around, and so thank you for being accommodating. And
Absolutely.
I'm sorry if I was like, right now, Shawnta, right
That's
now.
fine.
You've got an event coming up calling Reclaiming Our Roots, a Holistic Health Journey. It's happening this Friday at the Erie Food Co-op?
Yeah, this Friday at the Erie Food Co-op from 12 o'clock until 1. And we're going to be talking about just reclaiming our roots, going back to the basics, going back to taking care of ourselves naturally, really taking care of ourselves with natural resources that's been planted here for us since the beginning of creation. I'm talking about vegetation. I'm talking about preventing sickness, illness, and disease through eating healthy foods, eating whole foods like vegetables and fruits. We're even going to talk about the benefits of herbs, which herbs are plants that have medicinal properties in them. And 40% of pharmaceutical medicine is actually derived from herbs. You get to utilize these herbs if you don't have all the side effects that you would have from a pharmaceutical medicine. For example, you have a medication called Valium that people may get prescribed, which helps you to relax if you have anxiety, if you can't sleep at night. That actually is derived from valerian root. So we're going to be talking about those alternatives. We're also going to be talking about some ancient prevention and healing modalities coming from ancient Egypt. We're talking about iridology, which is the study of your iris. You have your pupil that's in the middle of your eye, but around your eye, I'm looking at your beautiful blue eyes too, and your beautiful brown eyes, but they all represent something, a pre-existing potential condition that you could probably have that we can help prevent by providing a recommendation plan. So you have about over 20,000 nerve endings in your eye. It's connected to your central nervous system through your optic nerve. And so we're looking at the eye through a camera, and we can look at the shapes, the colors, the structures, and it helps us look at some pre-existing health conditions. And it's more of a preventative measure that you can take to combat those issues that we see. So with the natural health and with holistic medicine, we're looking at some root causes of illness, and not just looking at a symptom and not just putting a Band-Aid on a symptom, but we're looking at everything holistically and
or
naturally.
prescriptive medications. Yeah. Do you have somebody that's leading this session?
Well, it'll be me. I'm
so
teaching.
you're the expert in
I'm
all of this.
facilitating. Yeah. I know from personal experience the benefits of natural health and medicine. I was on medication and disability for quite some time, and it took the reclaiming of my roots and learning and growing and learning of natural health alternatives and how to heal naturally and holistically. And so I'm passing that knowledge on at the event tomorrow. I'm also certified, I'm board certified in natural health and medicine. I've taken case studies, and I've done, just written papers and written books and all these different things. And so I'm now bringing the knowledge that I have gained through over the years through personal experience and also through educational experience as well.
Oh, that's a wonderful combination, having that personal experience with the education behind it to truly make that impact. I love what you're doing.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Definitely.
It's going to be great. Again, this is Friday at the Food Co-op, what, at noon?
12 to 1 tomorrow.
Okay.
I believe it's 1341 West 26th Street. This is our first time doing a presentation at the West 26th location. We were usually downtown, but now with the transition, we're moving over into West 26, and we're really excited to provide this service.
Any cost to this?
It is free to the public. Free and open
Anybody
to the
can
public.
just come in. There's so much to all of this with getting away from processed and packaged food and perhaps prescription medications in some cases, where you could eat holistically and just have a greater understanding for what's there for you naturally.
Yeah, it's all about taking control of our health. We have much more control than we give ourselves credit, and usually it comes from lack of knowledge, not understanding and knowing that. So we're bringing that knowledge to the community, and I'm happy and I feel blessed and thankful to be able to do that.
Love it. One more time, when and where?
It's going to be at the Erie Food Co-op on West 26th Street tomorrow from 12 o'clock until 1.
And no cost to get in. Just head right over and educate yourself on all of that. That's terrific. Shawnta, it's really nice to see you.
Nice to see you
Yeah,
as well.
thanks for popping in.
Nice
Again,
to
sorry
see you.
I rushed you.
Oh, no
You okay?
problem at all.
Catch your breath now. And we'll be right back.